You have to tell your mind not to tell them to do anything, not to scream out, be like, why aren't you trying to help him?
Losing a child is every parent's worst nightmare, but this mother says a piece of paper is important to their grieving process.
No birth certificate, no acknowledgement to his birth at all.
13 Action News reporter Brian Callahan has a look at how she is fighting to make sure Thor's legacy can help other families.
The first words after he was born out of my mouth was, "I'm sorry, Thor."
Jonica Giron recalls the heartbreaking moment she learned baby Thornton didn't survive.
He was alive during the labor process, but at some point his heart couldn't take it.
Jonica and Ryan held out hope little Thor would make it, even after getting the devastating news halfway through the pregnancy that the odds were stacked against their baby boy.
Sometimes things don't happen the way you want it, but they happen the way they're meant to.
To make matters worse, the Girons had to fill out information about Thor's death, but not his birth.
The only thing that your child's name gets put on is something that tells you that they're gone.
Nevada law only allows for certificates of live birth. Giron says research shows she isn't alone. About one family a day in Las Vegas shares her experience.
I didn't think it was fair. I didn't think it was right.
That's when she turned to State Senator Scott Hammond, asking him to support what's been dubbed Thor's Bill, creating a certificate of stillbirth that parents can get if they choose.
And his name will live on, even though he didn't get to.
As the little boy's story is helping bring about change, his family is set to welcome his little brother.
There's a lot of joy in having a rainbow baby, especially having him so close to being near Thor's due date.
That bill is being drafted ahead of the legislative session that starts next week. Senator Hammond said this evening he's hopeful Thor's bill will pass, and he hasn't heard any real concerns from his fellow lawmakers. Brian Callahan, 13 Action News.